Hi everyone, this is Jerry again. On today's task, we try to start learning Spring Framework. But for now, our task for today is we install the Java Development Kit. And I'm going to show you how to download and install Eclipse on Web IDE. Let us start. Here you can directly search download JDK, okay, and go directly to Oracle. And here you're going to be given choices of the different version of the JDK. But for now, we go for the much stable version of Java JDK. We click the Java SE30. You click this link and you go down and you choose the version that is fit for your machine. In my case, I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit binary file. So I'm just going to download this one. So that's around 159 MB. You just click this one and download it. So I'll just wait for this to complete and then we'll do the installation. As we complete the downloading of this binary file, we double click it, you click next, next, and you're done with the installation. Next with our list is we download and install Eclipse. You can type here eclipse.org or simply just point to your browser, download Eclipse. And under the eclipse.org, you just click it. And instead of choosing the download 64-bit, you try to click the download packages. And the version that we're going to use is the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java developers. So sometimes these titles are changing. So for you to be guided which version of Eclipse you're going to download, you just look for this logo, Java EE IDE. So I'm going to download my Windows 64-bit, and here you could choose a mirror on where to download it, or you just simply click this link, download. Okay, so that's 400 MB. Since I already have this file, I'll just cancel it and I'll just show you how to install it. Okay, so this is a zip file. We're going to extract it, double click it, and we go on extract all. As we extract the file, we try to install it on the location, on the folder that we can easily locate Eclipse. Here, I'm going to type drive C, colon, and then extract. You need to wait for this one, so this will take a little while for this to complete. And I'll just show you what would be the look of the folder when you extract the files. Okay, so this is our extracted files. Here, we launch Eclipse by selecting this special icon. You double click this one. Okay, so sometimes you encounter this kind of error. A Java runtime JRE or the JDK cannot be located, so it cannot be run by Eclipse. Don't worry, so there is a solution on how to look for this special file, the java.exe, and it's just trying to look for this executable file. You just close this notification, you type edit system environment variables, click that one, and you go on environment variables. Under system environment variables, you select path and you just edit it. Here you need to know the location of the folder where JDK is installed. On our first installation, JDK was installed here at C, Program Files, Java. So here it is, the JDK folder. Okay, so you click on that and you look for the bin file, no? So this is where Java, the missing file that Eclipse is using, Eclipse is looking for. Okay, so you don't need to type, you just click this portion and it will give you the location of the folder where this special file is being searched by Eclipse. You just copy this one, Control V, Control C, and you close this one. And here you just new, and you just paste the folder and you click OK, close this one, and you go back on where Eclipse is installed and double click again the Eclipse. Okay, here I will select a special folder on where my programs will be installed. So I will call this SpringFramework. I launch it. Just maximize the window. And you have already this welcome page. You close this welcome page, close it, and you should have this kind of interface. Okay, so for now we close Eclipse. So to avoid going back to this special folder to launch Eclipse, we're going to create a shortcut so we can access it on our desktop. You just point for this special icon, right click, send to desktop, create shortcut. Here we have already the Eclipse. So close this one, double click shortcut Eclipse, and this is our workspace that we have worked currently. Launch it, and you're back on our IDE.